Walmart Spark Driver, pay per order, changes every trip because each offer is calculated based on distance, estimated time, and order complexity, instead of a fixed hourly rate. By the end of this, you'll understand how Spark Driver pay is calculated, what actually increases or lowers pay per order, and what drivers look at before accepting a trip. Start with how pay is built. Spark uses a per-order offer system. That means every delivery request comes with a displayed payout before you accept it. The amount is tied to distance, estimated delivery time, and whether the order includes multiple stops. Short trips with single deliveries usually show lower payouts. Longer trips or orders that require more stops tend to show higher payouts because they take more time and fuel. Customer tips are also part of the total offer in many cases. The app may show an upfront estimate that includes base pay plus expected tip. After delivery, the final earnings can change if the customer adjusts the tip. Another factor is batch orders. These are multiple deliveries grouped into one trip. The payout is higher than a single order, but it's split across multiple stops, so the real value depends on how far apart those stops are. Time of day also affects pay availability. Busy shopping hours tend to produce more frequent offers, but the payout per order still depends on distance and demand, not just volume. There is no single fixed, per mile, or per order, rate shown publicly in the app. Instead, Spark adjusts each offer in real time based on demand in your area and how quickly they need drivers. Drivers typically compare orders based on total payout versus estimated miles and time. That ratio matters more than the raw dollar number, because a higher payout can still be a bad deal if the distance is too long. If an offer sits in the system too long, Spark may increase the payout slightly to attract a driver, but that depends on local demand and isn't guaranteed. The key points are simple. Spark pay is per order, not hourly. Each offer is calculated individually. Distance, time, and tips all affect what you see on screen. Next step is to look at your next few Spark offers and compare payout versus distance so you can see how the system values each trip in real time. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps and delivery earnings.